Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a banknote validator works step by step. First, the process begins when a user inserts a banknote into the input slot of the validator. This is the starting point, where the machine receives the note for checking. Next, the feed rollers pull the banknote inside the machine. These rollers move the note smoothly through the internal path so it can be examined properly. After that, different sensors scan the banknote. The machine uses optical, UV, magnetic, and size sensors to inspect the note and collect important information about it. Then, the validator checks the security features of the banknote. In this stage, the machine verifies the note's authenticity, denomination, and overall condition to determine whether it is genuine or suspicious. After the checking process, the system makes a decision. Based on the sensor readings, the machine decides whether the banknote is valid or invalid. If the note is genuine, it is accepted by the validator. The valid banknote moves into the stacker or cash box, where it is stored safely for later use. On the other hand, if the note is fake, damaged, or does not meet the required standard, it is rejected. In that case, the machine returns the note to the user or diverts it to the reject path. Meanwhile, the machine also records the value of the accepted note. It updates the transaction amount and, in some systems, sends the information to the connected machine or payment system. Moreover, a banknote validator is very useful because it checks notes automatically, detects fake or damaged notes, accepts valid cash securely, and improves both speed and accuracy in cash handling. Finally, after validation is completed, the accepted cash is stored safely, rejected notes are separated, and the totals are updated in the system. In this way, the machine helps businesses handle cash more safely, quickly, and efficiently. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.